Hi everyone, it's Kristen Flores, your artsy momsy, and today let's check out some great sales, handbag sale at Neiman Marcus website. So here you can see in my screen, we have the handbags here, and let's sort them from price lower to high and see what we can find. Okay, nothing so much on this side. If you like Michael Kors, this one looks great. Oh, never mind, it's too tiny. Okay, this one looks great and it's a great size, 121. Great deal. And I believe Michael Kors, Kate Spade, Tory Burch on Neiman Marcus website are the one from the boutique, not from the outlet. So these items here should be different from the ones they have in the outlet. Oh, this is interesting. Look at this. I like the solid black color, and the only hardware you see here is this lock. I think it would have been great if it's also black, just black out everything. But I think overall it's great. Price is $144, which is not too bad for a Coach bag. And if you like color, I actually kind of like this color. It looks great. I like the shine. Beautiful. See what else they got. This Marc Jacob bucket bag has been popular lately. So if you like this style and the color, there's only one left, $159. I think it's a great deal. More. Because I'm from the Philippines and I've seen a lot of basket weaving purses, and over there they're like way cheaper. Like I could buy this kind of bag for like, I think the last one I bought was like about 400 pesos, and that's at the mall, which means it's already like high-end kind. So 498, 400 pesos, that's like $8, $10 versus 198. I can't pay a lot of money for this kind of purses. Although they are becoming popular, and I know a lot of people are really liking them, and I'm not against that. It's just that in my head, I just think that they could be cheaper. Another sequin Coach bag. I love the pink, but I think the available one is the silver. Sequin is a thing. Look at that. Marc Jacobs. And zebra print. I think Jacquemus also has a handbag that has zebra print. So if you are into animal print, it's something you can consider. This is a great price drop. Strathberry are becoming very popular. They've been popular because of their great quality. So if you're looking to purchase one, this one right here looks like it's a great size, and the price is great. Price is 5 by 8.9, 5.7 by 8.9, and it's actually pretty thick. It's almost 2 inches too. So great looking bag, and it's available in white. Oh, here it is, the zebra Jacquemus Lebisu bag. Another Strathberry, and it's in quilted leather. Oh my gosh, I like this. It's so unique. This one is cute. I've been seeing this one actually, and I think I'm very close to pulling the trigger. I just like handbags with interesting style, shape. And the thing about Jacquemus is that they have very unique silhouette, but they are very simple too. So there's like a good balance. I know not a lot of people are a fan of Jacquemus, but I think I love that one actually. And here, more woven purses. I don't know about the puff Jacquemus bag though. I mean, Coach did this last year, so I feel like because I fell in love with Jacquemus for their originality. So to see something like this, I'm not sure who did it first though, but because the Coach puffy bag is already stuck in my head, I feel like I don't feel like buying the Jacquemus version of it. Oh, this pink is so beautiful though. Look at that, only one left. And the next page, let's see, more Jacquemus bag. This one, I can't wear this bag, not because it doesn't look good, but because I'll probably get it super good. I do love a good kind of snake print bag or shoes. Versace. Last year I got a Versace bag. It's a small one, small clutch bag, and I got it for a great deal. I used all my credit card points to get that purse. Oh, Jimmy Choo. At first I thought it was called Gaia, but it is Jimmy Choo. Let's see. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at the ombre. I love it. I feel like many of like typical colors you see for kids stuff are being incorporated with adult stuff. I like it though. And I think we're nearing to the end of the handbag sale. Since the trouble issue scandal Balenciaga had, their bags has been on sale forever. And that's it. Those are all the purses that are on sale at Neiman Marcus. Let me know in the comments if you like any of it, if you already shop, what you got, and if you are considering on buying one of these, share it in the comments. I would love to see all of it. We will do another shop with me or window shop with me video, and I hope you watch and I hope you'll watch that too. All right, see you later, you guys. Bye.